Well, she's back home again, all dirty, and probably got about 6 hours worth of digging time with it. So, gonna give it a bath. And I think I'm gonna change the oil again. Just, I'd rather spend a few bucks for oil, make sure the thing's gonna be good. I think it's about time for valve adjustment too. Sounds a little clicky, so gonna do that. So you can see she definitely is not new anymore. But she worked fine. Matter of fact, it worked better than I thought. Just a little quickie, let you know how she worked out. See you next time.